Today I'm going to talk about how to live your dream. Everyone has dreams, but most of them are just daydreamers. Daydreamers means they just dream and sit back. I was also like a daydreamer. I don't know about others, but what I did was I slept over my dreams. Dreams are something which you don't see while sleeping, but they are something which don't allow you to sleep. It is not that you just dream and sit back. You have to work for it. When I was a daydreamer, I used to think that some genie will come and give me all the powers which I want in my life. But I realized that this doesn't happen that way. I have to work for it. Then only I will get onto my dreams. And you know what is stopping you to work for it? Because you have not written your dreams. You have not started visualizing your dreams. Visualizing in the sense that what you will be feeling when you are going to accomplish that dream. You don't live that dream daily. And that is why probably you are not able to achieve that dream of yours. Are you a person who think by seeing others that what a healthy body he or she has and sit back and dream that I will also have this kind of body one day and not work for it? Are you a person who take resolutions every January saying that this year I am going to get a good body, a good healthy body? And you buy lots of clothes for the gym, you buy lots of shoes and get ready and do for 1 week, 2 weeks, then you step back. Are you a person like that? Studies suggest that after taking resolution, there are about 28% people who move back after 2 weeks, 42% people after a month, and 56% of people after 6 months. So don't be in this category. You have to work for your dream day in and day out. So what do? I'm going to tell you 5 steps which can help you in accomplishing your dreams. First, set some clear goals for you, that what exactly you want in your life. If you want money, state clearly to yourself, set specific goals that how much money do you want. If you have a dream of good health, set specific goal that what kind of body or how much weight do you want to achieve. You have to set specific goals. And while setting up this goal, you should not compare yourself with others. Because it is your goal, you have to achieve it. If you are setting up the goal based on others, then either it will be too much for you or it will be too less for you. So set for your own self. Second, write your goals or dreams in a journal. Write in details as much as possible that what exactly you want, how you will feel it while doing it and after accomplishing it. Imagine about it day in and day out. Third, visualize about your dream. Visualize that how you are going to feel when you accomplish that dream. Feel every bit of it. Feel every color of it. The happiness, the peace what you are going to get after you accomplish your dream. Fourth, set a specific time to achieve it. If you want to make X amount of money, specify a time that by next year December you will be able to or you are going to achieve it. If you want a good body, if you want to have a good body, set a specific time that by this December I am going to reduce this much amount of weight. Fifth, after setting specific goals and specific timelines for it, you have to do reverse calculation. If you want to achieve X amount of money in next December, you have to reverse calculate it that by this December how much should be the amount you will be gaining. And if by December this much is the amount, how much will be your goal for 6 months time. And for 6 months time, according to that, you have to set goal for 1 month time. And after setting for 1 month's goal, you have to set daily goals. And that is how you do the reverse calculation for each and every goal of yours. And set up your daily goals and work on it, accomplish it, and find out why you are not able to complete your daily goals. So start inculcating these 5 steps. You are definitely going to move ahead towards accomplishing your dream. This is Feby Bijoy signing off for now. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.